In this video, I'm gonna be revealing 3 apps. Yes, one, two, three, that are ready to pay you just to do nothing. Yeah, you hear it right. You don't have to do anything, not even surveys. Okay, so are you ready? Yeah? Okay. Hey, hello everyone. This is Diana Castillo from Moneymaker Area. Welcome to this channel. If this is the very first time you are watching my content, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, yes, you hear it right. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 apps. One, two, three, that are gonna be paying you just to do nothing. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything crazy. You don't have to be wasting time with surveys. Okay, you just need to install them, and that's it. Okay, if you're looking for a side hustle or something that you can do to have some extra cash, this video is perfect for you. Okay, please watch the entire video because at the end I'm gonna be sharing with you a bonus. Okay, but that bonus is just for people who are looking to watch the entire video. Okay, now let's jump into my computer. Okay, this is the very first app. Okay, this app, it's called SlideJoy. Okay, you go to getslidejoy.com, or if you have an Android phone, you can actually download it for the Play Store. Hey, don't worry, this app is just available for Android device, but keep watching because I have other apps that are also available or on for iPhones. Okay, so every single time you have your screen locked, you are gonna be earning money. Okay, rather than having a screensaver, you are gonna have different offers. Okay, you can slide left to get more information about the offers. You can slice up to see another card, or you can slice right to go to your home screen. Okay, that's it. You just need to download it. And by the way, this is 100% free. Remember that this app is just available here on the Android cell phone, so you can download it for the Google Play Store. Okay, you are gonna have the latest news, native stories, and you can see that they has been featured on several websites. People are actually loving it. They are loving the design, and to be honest, I have a similar app that is running on one of my devices. At the beginning I was kind of skeptical because I was like, okay, maybe these apps are going to be intrusive, maybe I'm going to be browsing around, and at the end of the day it's end up being just like this one, that okay, as soon as I have my device locked, they are gonna be displaying ads. By the way, these type of ads, it's not gonna be consuming your battery, okay, when you have it, your cell phone off. So as soon as you are gonna watch something, it's when you are actually gonna get the reward. Okay, you are gonna be withdrawing money through PayPal, okay, or you can donate it. Okay, so this is the very first app. Remember, it's called SlideJoy. Okay, it's SlideJoy. If you have some questions, you can also check them on Twitter and you can join the conversation. Remember, this is just for Android device. And remember, if you have an iPhone, please keep watching. Okay, so by the way, guys, I know that this app, it's only paying you through PayPal. So please let me know what's your favorite payment method. Where are you guys from? Comment it in the comment area because I'm going to be making sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helpful. Maybe you don't like to be paid on PayPal, but you do like to be paid on cryptos, or maybe you actually like to be paid on PayPal. So leave it in the comment area and also let me know where you guys are from. The second app that is ready to pay you effortlessly, it's called HoneyGame. Okay, you can download this app on a Windows computer. You can download it on an iPhone, or you can download it on an Android. Okay, HoneyGame, it's ready to pay you, and you're gonna be making money just for sharing internet. That's it. You just need to download the app, and you are gonna be earning money even while you're asleep. This is 100% passive income, okay, because the system is gonna be running 24/7, and you are not gonna be sharing any of your personal information, okay? The internet traffic is used by trusted partners of Honey Games, and the app itself does not gain any access to your device storage. Okay, so this is actually Honey Game. This is an app that is actually worldwide, but you need to understand that it's going to be using your internet. Okay, how it works? Well, it's really simple. You just need to install the app on your device and have it connected to the internet. You're going to be running Honey Game. Okay, the device or the app is going to be, gathering information on the internet. This information is going to be helping businesses, and you are going to get paid. Chances are that you might be wondering right now, like, hey, Diana, how much money you can earn? Well, depend on the amount of devices that you have. You can actually get paid up to $67 per month. Which are the payment methods? Well, they do have several payment methods, including PayPal, cryptos, okay, RTM, and others. So they do have several payment methods, and it's actually really easy to make money with it. It's actually really, really fun. And one of the things that I like about Honey Game is the fact that they are, legit. They do have a Trustpilot account, so people are, leaving reviews consistently. So this is something that I do like, because I can see what others are thinking about this. Just in case that you don't know about Trustpilot, well, Trustpilot is a third-party provider, and that means that everybody can put their opinion there, and in this case, Honey Game cannot delete it. Okay, so you can see others if they're complaining about the app, it is not working as they expect, and that's it. Okay, remember that Honey Game, well, the app, it's never gonna have access to your storage. There is no bundled software or ads. Protect from illegit device uses and control what your network is used for. Just in case that you have questions, you're gonna have access to the help area. I am actually running Honey Game myself, and you can see that I am almost ready to get paid. Okay, remember, this app, it's available for Android, iOS, Windows, so you are good to go. Can I install it on different devices? Sure, you do. Sure, go ahead and do it, and you are gonna be earning money. Again, if you are enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up, because that's gonna be helping me. It's gonna be helping my channel. Remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And we are also getting closer to the bonus, okay? These apps are great. Also, guys, please let me know where you guys are from, what's your favorite payment method, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helpful, okay? Another app is actually ScreenLift, okay? You can go to screenlift.io. This is similar to SlideJoy, because you are going to have the opportunity to customize your first screen, okay? That's it. Install the app. Make sure that it's actually running. Use your phone as usual, and you are going to get paid, okay? This is actually real money, real cash, okay? If you're ready to enroll, just click here where it says Earn Now, and you are going to have the opportunity to get paid with ScreenLift. As you can see, there we have several testimonies here. This app is really pays you to do nothing, which is really important. I have it installed and active on my phone and come back to it after days to find money accumulated. Okay, so the only thing is that you're going to be doing is actually improving your first screen, and that's it. So it's really easy, really simple. You just need to install it and you are going to have the opportunity to earn money. Okay, remember the apps that we have reviewed so far: SlideJoy, Honey Game, and Screenlift. Then can I have them all on my computer? Sorry, all on my cell phone. Well, remember that if you have Android, you can install them all. You just have an iPhone. The first one, it's not gonna be working for you. But remember that with these apps, you are not gonna get rich. It's okay, maybe if you're thinking about, I want to get some money on my spare time. Okay, so this is gonna be maybe money that I would like to invest in a business opportunity, whatever, right? So if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, if you're ready to start learning how you can make money while you travel, while you sleep, and it's not $60 per month, okay? I mean, an income that it's gonna help you replace your full-time job, fire your boss, live your life in your terms. I'm gonna leave a link below. That's gonna be the very first link in the description. So if you're ready to change your life, check out the very first link in the description. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna be helping me. It's gonna be helping my channel. It's gonna be helping my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share this video if you know someone that he or she might be, interested in this topic. And don't forget to check the very first link in the description. This is for this video, and I see you on the next video.